Welcome back to the task guide. Today I'll show you how to boil the perfect eggs. You will need eggs, a pot, water and a timer. Fill your pot with enough water to cover the eggs by about an inch. Now place the pot on the stove and bring the water to boil over medium-high heat. Once the water is boiling, gently lower the eggs into the pot. Set the timer and boil eggs for 9 to 10 minutes to get medium boiled eggs. While the eggs are boiling, prepare an ice bath by filling a bowl with ice and water. Once the timer goes off, use a spoon to transfer the eggs to ice bath. After the eggs have cooled, gently hit them on the hard surface and peel off the shells. And there you have it. Perfectly boiled eggs are ready to enjoy. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share